Hi guys, what's up? Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can sign a document on your iPhone or iPad. Without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to go to the Mail app on your iPhone 10 and tap on your attachment, mail attachment. Just tap on it. This is my attachment, and just tap on the markup which is up right on the corner, and just tap on add, and just tap on signature and add or remove signature. So I'm just gonna add it and just write your name and just tap done. And you can also resize it, or you can even drag your signature. So I'm just going to drag it here and I'm gonna resize it. Oh, sorry. You can resize it. And here you go. That's how you can sign a document on your iPhone 10 without any extra application. It's that simple, guys. Hope you like this video. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel UnlockBoot. Thank you very much and see you next time.